for all that lovey-dovey shit. I'm your brother shit. All that other shit. It's too late for all that. It's too late for all that. Hey, it's too late for all that lovey-dovey shit. I'm your brother shit.
Excuse my crustiness. Well, I'm not that crusty because my face is done, but the braids and stuff, that's a little rough. But so you guys know how I felt about the Bobbi Boss Lyna wig. That wig was like, it was my favorite. I swear, I love that wig so much. And so when I came across this wig, I was like, could it really be? Like, are they cousins? Are they sisters? What is it? Because like it looks so good, but it's just like literally the shorter version of it, and I'm like, I have to try it out. I have the Bobbi Boss Lyna Wig. It's a blunt cut bob, but it's just like short. You know how most blunt cut bobs, they do it like right at the shoulder. This one is a little bit shorter. I want it to be like at my chin, hopefully. If not, I'll probably cut it, but we'll see. I already opened it because, you know, I was thirsty as hell. I'm always thirsty about new hair. This is the packaging that it came in, you know, typical packaging for like a synthetic wig. And what else? I got it in the color 1B. It was about like 35 bucks. Yeah, I got mine off Amazon because I really wanted it ASAP, so I just did Prime. But you can find it at like a local beauty, or I'll leave links to popular websites that people buy synthetic wigs from, like Sam's Beauty, wigtypes.com. Those type of websites, I'll find it and I'll link it below. See, those are the combs. So yeah, I'm gonna just try it on and get a feel for it really quickly. Also, this is my braid pattern. I don't really know what's going on in the back, but I just have 2 braids going down my sides so that I can clip the wig. I'm gonna try her on. Oh shit, hold on. Y'all, my screen is also my camera for my mirror for today. So wait. Gee. This is too cute. Hey look, I look like Shorty from Incredibles, you know, her bob. Fat as hell. This ain't fat though. But gee, I'm sorry, I keep looking at the screen because that's literally my camera. My mirror right now. Do I like it at this length or should I do it shorter? Okay, so I'm gonna cut the lace. I'm gonna cut the lace and do a little bit plucking. And like flat iron it. I might cut it a little bit, who knows. But this is too cute. Wow. Okay, I just cut the lace off and I'm just trying to line it up really quick. This is like too cute. I can't even right now. The part looks decent too. Like, I'm not gonna have to do too much to it. The most I'll probably do is like pluck it a little bit and then add some concealer, but I might not even do that because like it's too hot. This wig is so cute, y'all. Like, that's all I want to do. Oh, let me show you guys like the actual cut itself, not like that stuff. It kind of slants towards the front. It's not like square all the way around, or I might be lying. I don't know. Let me get up and turn around. Hold up. So this is the side view. Let me make sure. All right, here's the side view. Here's the back. I think I'm gonna cut it just a little bit. Just a little. I don't know. Should I cut it, y'all? I don't know. Okay, so this is what it's looking like right now. I still have to clean up my cut, but this is about how short I wanted it to be, and I love it. I'm gonna straighten it a little bit and probably bump the ends. Oh my god, so cute. And then I'm also gonna spray some Got2b glue right here, just to like lay this down a little bit more. And then put a scarf on, all that good stuff. So I just put my scarf on, and I also put I did my own baby hairs, my natural baby hairs. And I just want this to lay down a little bit flatter. If it doesn't lay flatter than this, then I know to change my braid pattern and make it a little bit smaller because it shapes whatever is underneath the wig. But like I really like this length. It's so freaking cute. I still have to clean it up a little bit, but I won't do too much because I don't want to like mess it up. Once I take it off, that'll be the finished product. Hold on, I'm gonna just take it off now and see what's happening. Okay, so yeah, it's still not laying as flat as I wanted to, which means I'm gonna have to change my braid pattern and do like micro mini braids. That's not fun, but whatever, because I want this to lay so flat at the top like it is at the bottom. But it's so cute, y'all. Like, oh my god, I'm like really in love with this wig right now. I can't stop staring at myself. Sorry. If you guys want to see more videos like this one, whether it be synthetic or just hair videos in general, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button, like, and let me know in the comments what you want to see from me. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be reviewing more synthetic wigs because like we balling on the budget right now. That's pretty much the rest of my video. Oh my god, it's so okay. I gotta stop. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.